lovelies. The time is currently 11:40 p.m. I got off of work at like 10:14 p.m. Phased out for like over an hour, and I'm gonna put on some makeup and then take it off right away. First up, I'm gonna take off my glasses. Can't put makeup on when you have glasses covering your face. I don't have anything on right now. I was at work. But I'm going to be following this TikTok, fun makeup for beginners, that is pink, because I'm wearing my pink flower pants right now. So let's watch the video and follow the steps.
Copyright music, blah blah blah, best friend has money, is a bad bitch.
Okay, way too far ahead. Light pink all over. So first I'm gonna pull out some eyeshadow primer. I'm going to be just using this Wet n Wild Photo Focus eyeshadow primer on my lids because it helps with the color or something. I don't know. I got a little bit on my finger, and then we just put it on the other finger and put it all over the lid, right? Let's get underneath a bit too. Let's get all over here in our inner corner and the other eye the same. Oh, wow. Okay, and then we're gonna put light pink eyeshadow all over. I have this CAI palette, a 25 color eyeshadow palette, 25 matte shades. I don't know, I got it for Christmas. How wow. Okay, thank you. Bernie is just chilling back there. I'm gonna use the shade Stalking, and then use this all over eyeshadow brush from a different brush collection that I probably got for Christmas as well. I'm just gonna get a good chunk on there. And we're gonna do the tappy. Yeah! Grab our little mirror and
What was that? Oh my god!
No, this seems too light of a pink. This seems too light of a pink. And then I'm gonna use Holly instead. And we have this baby all the way around and underneath a bit. Okay. That's a pink, that's a pink. Makeup tutorial for beginners. Not enough, baby. How do I put on eyeshadow all over? I have zero skills. Okay, I'm gonna be using this Eco Tools blurring brush to get the shadow just all over. Let's add her underneath here a little bit. I just look like I have pink eye. Wow, Bella, because you just put on pink. Wow, who knew? Okay, I feel like I'm making it worse. Okay, so I have pink shadow all over my eyes. And then it says use any angled brush. I'm going to use this angled eyeliner brush. Follow your waterline. And I'm guessing this is with the darker pink. So I'm going to use Fruitcake with this angled brush. And following my waterline and a straight line back halfway through the lid. And then build it up. She doesn't look the worst. It looks very dumb, just kidding. Okay. Let's see if we can fix it with the other one. Oh god, yeah, this one looks a little bit better. She does not. think I needed it a little bit higher up on this eye. Just gonna keep adding. So this eye is now screwed up. Oh god, no. I'm just making it worse. Let's see if we can like make her somewhat the same on this other eye. And then I'm gonna add like a different color too. I have this NYX Mystic Petals palette. And I'm gonna be using this bottom pink there. She's a little sparkly. She's cute. I'm gonna be going in with the same eyeliner brush. Okay, I feel like she doesn't look the worst. I don't know though. Yeah, she don't look that good. Okay, so add shimmer and highlight with your fingertips. I'm gonna go back in with Holly and add some more of this pink to my inner shadow, inner corner, and make that other pink pigmented. Let's bring her in a little. Yeah, that's like something. Time to add highlighter, I guess. I have this slightly pink Makeup Obsession Let's Glow Liquid Illuminator. And I think that's gonna be a, well, we're following the pinky theme. Also, I don't have any blush on. My cheeks are just this red. I think they're slightly sunburnt, but there's pink. Who needs blush when you just get sunburn easily? Where do we add this highlighter though? I'm gonna try in here. Okay. I just smeared that all over. I have no idea what I'm doing at all. I'm just like, sparkles. That's like the one thing I know how to do. Add liquid highlighter, I guess, know how to do as in, I like the sparkles and I don't care where they are. We'll add more sparkles to the rest of her face because we can. You do the little nose, you do your bone, you do the little cupid's bow, you kind of do up here. There's already so many sprinkles around. There's so many sparkles around. And then we're just apparently done with this. She could be worse. Let's just say that. Let's see if mascara will fix it. Bing bong 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 bing bong 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 bong. I'm using a CoverGirl Lash Blast Active. It's a waterproof mascara. The other one that I usually use is not in my makeup thing. Yay! She's not helping that much. Okay. My usual mascara that I wear, I like more than the other one because the brush is less spiky, but maybe from a distance she looks cute. Cover it up with glasses. I feel like the pink's a nice color though if it like was actually done correctly on me. No! I found my typical mascara. I use Great Lash by Maybelline in Very Black. A much nicer brush in my personal opinion. I'm gonna add this on too to, let's see. Oh my god, I thought I just had like a bunch of black underneath here. Oh, sexy look. Let's see if I add more. Seriously? You love to see it, baby! I'm just gonna lick my finger and like diddy. let's just like panic. Oh my god. Okay, I have a tissue. Let's just like take some of my handy dandy makeup remover and do a little let's just okay. And maybe I clean this one up a little. Yeah, look at that. Okay, maybe since I removed some, we're gonna go back in and fix this. Going back in with this NYX shadow with the angled brush and just like reapplying there. I am like sweating right now. It is so warm in my house. I don't have AC. Sexy, sexy. Did I fix it? Maybe a little, maybe a little. I'm gonna be taking a different eyeshadow brush. And with the shade right above the other pink, I'm just gonna try dusting that underneath. Oh no, that does not look good. I'm going to be blending that out. And then doing it to the other eye, I guess. Okay, well, I'm gonna stop touching my eyes because she's kind of cute, I guess. I think if we top this off with a cute little lipstick. Yeah, that's like a cute shade. L'Oreal and Viable Pro Matte Liquid Lipstick. This. Wow. Okay, not bad so far. Knock on wood. Okay, that's crusty, but like, she cute. Okay, go off. I'm gonna do my eyebrows. I just used the e.l.f. little brow pencil in the shade of taupe. I am not gonna be using the eyebrow. Okay, so my eyebrow pencil just fell out. Okay, cool, great. And then I'm just gonna use this crease eyeshadow brush. My handy dandy Profusion Naturals palette that has seen better days and has been taped multiple times during different movings. There's so much tape on this. Okay, and then I'm just gonna be going in to the shade Cozy, because that's kind of my brow shade. Tapping. Let's see if I go in with an angled brush if she looks any better. Yeah, that does not look good. This looks so bad. Ah! How are we feeling out there tonight? Yeah.
Let's use our makeup remover again.
Wow. Now she's shiny. Oh.
I'm just gonna do my eyes.
Okay, well, we're already this far. NYX concealer, HD Studio Photogenic in the shade of Way Too Fucking Pale. Okay, baby.
Daddy, circle, circle.
Girl, clean, pale again, big brush. Let's put on my glasses to hide this mess. So, this is the final look. I don't know how to do makeup well. I'm trying here, folks. So, yeah, I felt pretty today. I like the way my hair looked. I'm literally just have it half up back with the yellow scrunchie because that's my go-to hairstyle because I don't like my hair all the way down. I really like this length, and the way it like has been using. I'm wearing these little giraffe earrings that my partner made me. This is just a white tank top from Target, I'm pretty sure. These pants were from Burlington for like $12, and yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed this chaotic video. The time is now 12:17 on Sunday, and I work at 11 a.m. I'm gonna take this off so my skin doesn't act up again. It's been a while since I've been able to wear makeup because last October my skin's like, you have eczema now. And I didn't learn that it's eczema until like months later, and just because I had tried, I don't know. She's dumb. I have no idea what's exactly triggering it. I stopped wearing a bunch of makeup products. I stopped wearing anything after I didn't have new stuff. Even though the dermatologist I visited, he was like, it's most likely makeup. And I was like, I've been wearing makeup in 4 months, sir. Don't tell me it's makeup. I know, like, I cut out all products. I stopped using a lot of different face products, even ones that were dermatologist approved because it burned my face. I don't know. My skin has been doing better right now. It could be slightly stress management too, but I don't know. It's a whole mix of things. Water, yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. My name is Bella, and have a wonderful day.